Good afternoon all. Final job of the day. We're out the back of Enfield somewhere, not sure exactly where. Nazing we are today. Working on this Subaru Legacy 2.5. It's been off the road for a while simply because it's not been needed, but has a catalytic converter P0420 error code. It's the second one this week actually that's had that error code. I think the last one was a Ford Fiesta that had that. We managed to resolve that one for the customer. We are now running a two-stage engine carbon clean through this vehicle with the attempt of resolving the catalytic converter issue, but also just as general maintenance. So the two-stage service is the hydrogen cleaning, which is presently pulsing the hydrogen gas in through the air intake, which will break down the carbons and it will exit through the exhaust, and the injector cleaner, which goes in the tank and will clean the tips of the injectors as it combusts off. But it'll also help aid the catalytic converter to break down the soot and carbon that's built up in that. So this service costs £119.99. That's including the mobile service of us coming out to you and diagnostics. We're also fully insured and checker trade approved. If you'd like to find your local technician across the UK, please go to carbon-cleaning.co.uk, or you can send us a message. Any questions, by all means drop them below. Have a great day.